Okay, after you log into the dashboard to process with the to make invoice, sale invoice, first you have to do the add customer. You can add customer by going customer master, customer, and you can add a customer from here. Let's say I'm adding a customer. Here you can type company name or any name you want, and here will be the mobile number. And if customer has the bed number, you'll type his bed number. And after that, full address you can type Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and you can submit. Okay, now my customer is added. Where you will find your customer list? If you go to the customer list, here you can find all of your customer. In case if you want to edit any customer, you can go this edit icon, and anytime you can update all the information, whatever information you want. Okay, to make invoice, first step is to make the customer. We make it already. Now we'll make a invoice. We'll go to sale invoice and from here I'll go add. Okay, here you will search your customer name. Let's say Mamun. Here is my customer address, and to make billing I'll make a add product from here, add product, and let's say I put software service, and here will be the product code, and here will be the amount, whatever the amount it is, you type it here and save changes. This way you can continue, keep adding more product. If you finish, then you can press close. And during making invoice, you have to confirm that you should select this invoice. VAT will be 15% automatically selected. Here first click invoice, then if the amount is paid, then paid. If it is pending, then you put pending, and here you can type if you have any note or terms and condition, which will be printing the invoice. Okay, now I submit. After I submit, my invoice will be here. The last one will be my latest invoice. You can print it by clicking here, this green icon. Click, and this is my invoice. You can see the QR code is generated, and either you can print or you can download. So this is how we can make the invoice. And now I'll show you actually sale order. Let's say if you create invoice, you cannot make any kind of edit. In case if you need to edit something on the invoice, that time you can make first sale order. You go again, sale invoice, add. Here I'll select the customer again, and I'll add a product. Okay, and code you can type if you have, otherwise you can leave it empty. It will take a default code. And here I'll take price. In code you can type even text also, no problem. So if you have any note with the product, you can type it here. Now save changes, close. Now instead of invoice, I'll make it order, because later on I need to edit, and I submit it. Now where I'll find it in the sale order. It will automatically redirect me to the sale order, and here is my invoice. If you print it, you will see as a quotation, because this is not invoice, it is a sales quotation. So we have option to edit. If we want to edit, you can go to the order ID, click edit order, and here again you can add product, change price, and add new product. If you finish, you can click update. And now let's say if you finish already this sale order editing and everything, later on you want to convert this sale order to invoice, you can do it from here. Click here, convert order. Either you can cancel or you can convert to invoice, save changes. Now my sale order will be in the invoice. If you go to the sale invoice, here you will find the sale order. It is now invoice. So this is how you can add a customer and you can do the sale. And if you want to maintain the purchase, same way you'll do it from here, purchase invoice. But before that you have to add the vendor. If you go to the purchase, first you will add a vendor the way I did for the customer. Go to the add, and from here you'll add the vendor. After you finish vendor, then you go to the purchase invoice, click add, And from here same way you can do the purchase also, same like sales invoice, and it will be purchase invoice. Later on you will find it